gotta return that. Where?
Oh, he flew away, Chloe. They flew away. Oh well, maybe later. Oh, there's another one.
Real animal that is in the zoo for the kids. I said that's not more interesting than the real zoo.
I know. It's her favorite animal so far. Little kids come terrorize the birds.
Look at the big bird.
I don't think the bird wants to be your friend, Chloe. Okay, we're gonna leave our friend alone now. He doesn't want to play. Oh, that's it.